Tetra Glass Aquariums are made in the USA and are built to last with scratch-resistant glass. The Tetra Aquarium comes loaded with an LED hood that provides a natural daytime effect and a whisper filter that is whisper quiet while providing powerful, dependable water flow. Artificial plants add a unique, natural ocean feel while giving your fish a place to hide, which reduces fish stress. The Tetra Kit includes 1 20-gallon glass aquarium, 1 LED hood, 1 Tetra Mini UL Heater, 1 Tetra Whisper 20 filter, 1 artificial Boxwood Plant Mat, 4 artificial plants. Add gravel and fish to complete your aquarium. Top reviews from the United States. Nice aquarium with bright LED lights. I decided to get this kit as an upgrade from a 5-gallon. Received aquarium in perfect condition. I really like the LED lights. Very bright. I decided not to use the included filter, went with a sponge filter instead. Fish seem to enjoy having more room to swim around.